Writing does not come easy to most. For many, it's a slow and difficult process. In this video, we will share with you the evolving nature of writing through the experience of professionals in the field and previous students in this course.
Writing is something that people think should be self-intuitive, but it's not.
Everything I write over and over. So I learned a lot about writing from my dissertation advisor, who covered every piece of paper I ever gave him in red marks and paid an enormous amount of attention to the details of grammar, to reference, to the rhythm of a sentence, and I learned a tremendous amount from him.
Moved on to my graduate training, I began to learn more about how you sell your paper or your writing to other individuals. Is the story interesting? Does it make sense to people outside of your own field? Does it make sense to your grandmother or to your cousin? And so if they read it, are they going to understand it and actually take to the paper a little bit? So you really have to develop the interest of the paper. So if you're giving it to your professor, are they bored with it? Are they not bored with it? That's something really to take into account when you're writing something. And so with that, what you essentially do is you want to develop a foundation of evidence and research, and then from there construct your argument. The problem is a lot of times people will do the opposite. They'll try to have an argument that they already have in their head that's clearly laid out for them, and they want to find evidence to put underneath of it and support it. That's really not the best way to write something. You really want to build up the evidence first and then construct your argument so it's more logically sound.
I initially viewed lab reports as a means to an end in the pursuit of earning a high grade. However, as I progressed further in my undergraduate career, I began to view lab reports as opportunities to make myself a better writer and a better scientist.
I detested writing lab reports during my introductory biology courses, but I did see the application. It wasn't really until I became a teaching assistant where I taught students how to write a report that I fully understood them as a powerful tool for teaching a critical way of thinking.